think we're on day 7, I believe, but look at the fog. How pretty though. You can't even see the pier. So foggy. I think we're going to the pier here soon if Jeremy ever wakes up. It's pier day. Jeremy's ready to go.
Cooking some dinner tonight.
No.
Catching some dinner.
No. Catch, release only. But it's like, I think 7 in the morning. And we're going to be here for a few hours and then go back and beach and then come back this evening. Jeremy's ready.
I am. We'll catch something.
The lady in there working, she's from Lewisburg, West Virginia, which is about 2 hours away from home. And still foggy. Jeremy caught a little fish.
Oh, wow, that's a weird looking guy.
Stupid flies everywhere. Poor little fishy. What is that?
I have no clue. Look at that wicked little sucker.
Oh.
Get the little horns on his head. Brody'd like to see that.
Hold on, let me zoom in. I can't. Okay. Oh.
Look how pretty his eyes are.
Yeah, he is.
Alright, you ready to go back?
Yep. Jeremy was robbed.
Yeah, I thought I had him. That felt like a pretty decent hit too.
Yeah. Well, they did eat your bait.
Yeah,
so.
they got it all.
They're smart fish. In the zone.
Focus.
Mm-hmm.
Bigger than the last one.
Same type of fish. Hold on, fishy.
He's mad. Croaker.
Is that what it is? Oh, here.
Oh, man.
No, he's
I'll take
cute.
it.
Jeremy's got a little teeny fishy. Oh yeah, it's one of them same ones. What do they say? It's a flying robin?
Yeah, I think that's what the guy said.
Yeah. Uh-oh. He's cute. I like take him home and put him in my fish tank. Oh, he's cute. You sure you didn't hurt him?
Yeah, I'm positive. Alright, here we go. I'm putting him back. You good?
Alrighty. Yep. That was a successful day for Jeremy on his pier fishing. So as long as he catches a fish, he's happy, and he caught 3. So it's gonna be a good day for him, and hopefully we'll find some shark's teeth, because you know how we like to do that. But we're going back to the beach and have a beach day. Right now it's still foggy, but hopefully sun will come out. We're gonna make some lunch and have a beach day. You happy with your fish you caught?
I am. They're teeny ones, but you know what? That's the most fish I've caught all year, so I'll take it.
Yeah.
It's gonna get better tonight, though.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna come back here tonight, so.
I stink.
Like fish. And
yeah. Bait.
another fun beach day. We only have one more sad tomorrow.
Little sissy jump.
Yeah.
It's only 4 foot.
Yeah. The cold?
Feels good, actually.
Feels good.
Compared to yesterday, yeah.
Jeremy's got a little guy.
That's all I catch. I got the hooks, though. We didn't have very many to choose from, so I'm kind of limited on that.
He's cute. Ew, he splashed me. Poor little thing.
Pretty, got a little pink hue to it, don't it?
Mm-hmm. Hey, buddy. Is that a croaker? Jeremy got a bigger one.
Same thing I caught. I don't want to hook in my hand. I don't know if he's going to do it again or not.
No.
You ready for him to go back?
There he goes. That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, throw him back in. I don't know what that is.
Can you shine your light down here?
What that is.
I don't either. I wasn't about to touch it.
This
Yeah, let me shine my... Look how mean that bad boy looks.
No.
I think he's blind in one eye.
Oh. Jeremy has another. Says it's fighting back.
I swear it might be another one of them goofy things.
Really?
I don't really want to touch it. Who knows, a new one.
What is
I
that?
don't know what it is.
this pretty fish. I don't know what he is.
Ready?
He's pretty.
Yeah.
That fishy, you're gonna go back in the ocean.
Another one. It's a bigger one.
Oh yeah. Same kind.
Yeah.
What did I say it was? A spade fish?
Spade
That's what
fish.
somebody said. There he is. He is a little chunky, isn't he?
Yeah, that's a good one. It's the biggest one so far, I'd say.
He's cute.
Yeah.
They're so calm.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the sky behind me, how crazy it looks. We're just still sitting here on the pier. Jeremy has a half an hour to catch another fish. He's not giving up, but the pier closes at 10. I think they're open from 6 to 10, I think.
All the piers I ever went to growing up and stuff, they were open. I swear they were open 24. I know we were there early hours of the morning, at least till 3 o'clock in the morning and stuff
Yeah.
growing up. But
Yeah, we were looking up all the times, and Apache closes at midnight. 2nd Avenue Pier, whatever it's called, it's same as this one, 10. I think Garden City was 11. But yeah, every one of them around here closes.
yeah, I remember staying up late and go fishing. It was a success.
Yeah, it was.
It was the best saltwater fishing I've done in a long time.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's because of the Springmaid Pier is back. We had a good day, good evening, and we have one more day of beaching tomorrow. Tomorrow's our last day. Boo. Boo, boo, boo. But it's gonna be fun.